Okay, today we're just going to look at some photos I took on this Holga 35mm camera, and shot a few rolls of film. I would show you the inside of it, but there's film in it right now. Shot film over the course of a year, off and on. You'll see there's some summer beach stuff and winter. And we're just going to show this as a slideshow. So the camera was discontinued in 2015, but one of the things that people look for in this camera in particular is light leaks. So I didn't really see too much of that. If you Google Holga light leak, there are people who try to repair them, and there are people who look for the effects that a light leak will give to the film. And because this is a plastic camera, it's really simple. It's a plastic lens. There's no battery. You're just on. And I'm just going to let this slideshow run and tell me what you think. I mean, the images are really flat. There's not a lot of contrast. Some of the colors are exaggerated, and some of them are just really flat and dull, and it's kind of all over the place. And of course, that has something to do with the film I use too. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any results for photos that you've taken with a Holga.